The French Alphabet Sing-Along. Let's start at the beginning, dynamic and bright, singing the French letters, getting them right. A, B, bay, C, say, D, day. Open your mouth, that's the way. E, F, G, J, H, osh. Keep up the rhythm, don't rush the dash. Chantons ensemble, un, deux, trois. The French alphabet is for you and me. C'est facile, vous allez voir. Sing it out loud, let it memory store. Now comes the middle. Let's keep it in key. Watch out for the J, it sounds like G. I, E, J, G, K, K, L, L. You're doing great, can you tell? M, N, O, P, pay. We're more than halfway today. Chantons ensemble, un, deux, trois. The French alphabet is for you and me. C'est facile, vous allez voir. Sing it out loud, let it memory store. The last little stretch, let's finish it strong, with the trickiest letters in the whole song. Q, R, S, T, T. Almost at the end of the way. U, V, W. Look at how much we can say. X, Y, and Z. Now it's all safe in your head. Maintenant, je connais mon alphabet. Next time, sing it with me, s'il vous plaît. Key tips to remember while singing. The G and J swap. In English, G is G and J is J. In French, they flip. G is J and J